Hey there, tech enthusiasts and website dreamers. Welcome back to another value-packed video on doitwithI.tools. Ever had a vision for a stunning website, but felt held back by the dreaded coding barrier? Today, we're empowering you to build your dream site. I'm going to show you how to build and deploy a professional website completely free using the sheer power of ChatGPT. And here's the best part. No coding experience is required. This guide is perfect for absolute beginners who want to create their own portfolio website without breaking the bank. I'll walk you through each step of the process using powerful AI tools that make web development accessible to everyone. Let's dive in and transform your ideas into a professional website that'll impress potential clients and employers alike. Creating a website from scratch might seem intimidating if you're not a developer. But what if I told you that AI can help you build a fully functional HTML website without advanced coding skills? While basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is helpful, this guide is designed for complete beginners. We'll use AI tools like ChatGPT and Merlin AI to handle the technical heavy lifting. Our step-by-step approach ensures you can follow along regardless of your experience level. And the best part? You won't spend a single dollar on this project. AI is revolutionizing web development in amazing ways. According to a 2023 GitHub survey, a whopping 92% of developers already incorporate AI tools into their coding workflows. These tools accelerate development, reduce manual work, and democratize website creation for non-coders. ChatGPT can generate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based on simple instructions, helping you with layouts, error fixes, and deployment. For beginners and solo creators, this means less time struggling with technical details and more time bringing your ideas to life. AI isn't just a shortcut, it's a smart productivity booster for your creative process. Now let's get practical and start building your portfolio website. A portfolio site is perfect for showcasing your projects, skills, and experience, whether you're a developer, designer, or freelancer. We'll use AI to generate all the necessary code and cover free deployment options to make your site accessible worldwide. First, let's set up your development environment with the right tools. You'll need a code editor for writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Popular options include Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, or Atom. If you prefer simplicity, you can even use Notepad, which comes pre-installed on most Windows computers. Next, create a project directory to keep your files organized. Right-click on your desktop, create a new folder, and give it a meaningful name like Portfolio Website. Open this folder in your code editor. If you're using VS Code, simply right-click the folder and select Open with Code. Now we'll create our HTML file, which will be the foundation of your website. In VS Code, click File, New File, or press Ctrl+N. Then save it as index.html using Ctrl+S. This is where we'll paste the code generated by our AI assistant. For the best results, I recommend using Merlin AI with GPT-4 to generate your HTML code. I've crafted a detailed prompt that will create a stunning, responsive portfolio website with all the essential sections. Here's the prompt you can use for this step. If you want to get this detailed, well-crafted prompt ready to copy and paste, visit my website at doitwithI.tools for the complete guide. Remember to replace all placeholder text indicated by brackets with your personal information. To preview your website, simply double-click the index.html file in your project folder to open it in your browser. For a better development experience, I recommend installing the Live Server extension in VS Code. This automatically updates your preview as you make changes to your code. To install Live Server, click the extensions icon in VS Code, search for Live Server, and click Install. Then right-click your index.html file and select Open with Live Server to launch a local server with live reload functionality. After generating your initial HTML code, you might want to customize it to better match your style and vision. Start by identifying which elements you'd like to modify, perhaps the color scheme, layout, or specific design features. I've created another prompt to help you refine your website's appearance according to your preferences. Here's the prompt you can use to make these customizations. For more detailed customization prompts and examples, check out the full guide at Do-It-With-I. Tools. To enhance your portfolio with images, add them directly to your project folder. Then reference them in your HTML using relative paths like make sure to check the correct file extension .jpg, .png, and verify the image displays properly in your preview. Now comes the exciting part, deploying your website so everyone can see it. Netlify offers a free and straightforward hosting solution for your portfolio. Start by creating a free Netlify account at Netlify. Call Madam. Ensure all your files are inside your project folder, then click Add New Site on your Netlify dashboard. Select Deploy Manually and simply drag and drop your entire project folder into the upload area. Netlify will automatically process and deploy your site, providing you with a link to your live website. You can customize the site name under Domain Management or even set up a custom domain if you have one. Visit the provided URL to ensure everything looks perfect on your newly deployed website. Congratulations! You've successfully created and deployed a professional portfolio website using AI tools. It's important to remember that while AI is powerful, it can't replace the creative problem-solving abilities of human developers. Think of AI as your coding partner rather than a replacement. Those who embrace AI in their development workflow will work more efficiently and stay ahead in our rapidly evolving tech landscape. The key to maximizing AI tools lies in mastering prompt engineering. Learning to craft precise prompts guides AI to deliver exactly what you need, saving time and effort. By customizing prompts for your specific project requirements, you turn AI into a powerful development assistant. The more you practice refining your prompts, the better you'll become at leveraging AI to enhance your productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, visit doitwithI.tools for more AI insights, detailed guides, and ready-to-use prompts for your next web development project. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more AI-powered solutions for your creative and technical needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.